You've made it. You've explored the philosophies, the tools, the techniques. You've traced solution-focused therapy from its roots to its boldest future. Now it's time to step into your role, not just as a therapist or coach, but as something more. A solution architect. What does that mean? It means you're not here to fix people. You're here to co-design new possibilities. You help people map what matters. You build futures out of fragments of hope. You shape change, not with control, but with curiosity. SFT isn't just a method anymore. It's part of you now, how you listen, how you ask, how you lead. And you carry it forward into every session, every setting, every story. In a world obsessed with problems, you offer perspective. In systems focused on what's wrong, you highlight what's already working. You build progress from presence. You guide momentum with questions. Because change isn't something that happens to people, it happens through them. And your role is to hold that mirror until they see what's possible. As a solution architect, you're not just responding to the future of therapy. You're helping create it, a future that's more inclusive, more client-led, more hopeful. A future where therapy isn't only about struggle, it's about strength, where we move from analysis to action, from breakdown to breakthrough. The tools you've learned here aren't small. They're ripple makers. One compliment, one exception, one miracle question. They don't just shift the session, they shift the system. And when you multiply that across families, schools, communities, you create a future where therapy is faster, deeper, and more human than ever. So wherever you go from here, whether you're starting your private practice, joining a clinic, leading teams, or teaching others, remember this: you're not just a helper. You're a pattern interrupter, a possibility finder, a bridge builder, a quiet revolutionary. You are a solution architect. Keep asking better questions. Keep honoring what's already strong. Keep helping people take that next small, meaningful step. Because every time you do, you remind someone they are more than their pain. You remind systems they can be more compassionate. You remind the world that change is always possible. And in doing so, you change the world, one focused, hopeful, solution-oriented moment at a time.